Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install Google Meet in your laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you just need to open your Chrome browser. So I simply open my Chrome browser, and then on the top right corner you can find the icon. Here you can see Google Apps. Select it. After select it, if you scroll down, you can find the option Google Meet. So simply open it. So right now at the top right corner, you can find the option three dot icon. Select it and select more tools. Right now there have an option create shortcut. Select it and then confirm it, create. Right now if you just let's back, you can see Google Meet app is here. So in this way you can download and install Google Meet to your laptop. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.